how to buy ETH on BitUnix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently at BitUnix. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply click on our buy crypto over here on the top left. You will be able to see third party. So simply select third party over here and we should be able to see this page. Now over here under receive, simply click on their drop down and you should be able to see ETH as an available option to purchase over here. Then over here on the top, simply select how much you're willing to pay. So simply say 1,000 US dollar, let's say. I will be able to receive 0.34 or 35 if we round that up. And then you can select here your payment method, whether it's a card or Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even bank transfer over here at the bottom. And then you could select your provider, whether it's Coinify, Alchemy Pay, Violet, or Wallet, and so on and so forth. Depends on what your preference is. And then simply click on buy, and you should be able to get yourself some ETH. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.